In this video, we'll show you how to get a P60 document. You can now convert your P60 to printed forms, or replace a lost item from any year. Select the P60 option. Then change the style if you wish, using the button. The date will default to the last year end, but you can change this if you need previous years. Then enter the company details. Employee name is shown as forename and surname on the P60, so enter separately. Then the home address. Pop in the national insurance number and indicate if the employee is over retirement age. The worker ID is an optional field. If sure of the tax code, enter it next. Otherwise, we use the standard code for the pay year. If tax is paid in Scotland, select that region as calculations are slightly different. Enter pay period and salary and indicate if amount entered is per year. Then let us know if the amount is before or after deductions. If work started after April 6th, enter the first payslip date. Advanced control is optional. We already have what we need to calculate your P60, but you may want to input your own figures, usually if transferring data from e-documents. Anything you enter here will be added to the form and override our system. Select shipping. If you only need email, we automatically apply a 50% discount. Check the box if you would like to see a sample before you buy. Enter delivery details. During office hours, we email your documents within 30 minutes. If you ordered printed forms, they ship by Royal Mail on the first available collection. Visit our website for more information or to create sample documents.